Do you know how to identify the signs that a woman wants more than just a simple romance with you? There are psychological weaknesses that every woman has, and if you know how to handle them, you can become the man she wants for a lifetime. Imagine discovering exactly what makes a woman think, "This is the man of my life." Sounds impossible? It's not. There are key points in female behavior that, when understood, can transform the way she sees you. In this video, you will learn the 6 universal psychological weaknesses that make any woman inclined to choose you as the ideal partner. And that's not all. I will show you practical examples so you can put everything into action immediately. But be careful, the last point is the most decisive of all. So stay with me until the end, because this could completely change the way you win a woman's heart. Weakness 1. The need for security. Every woman seeks emotional security and stability. When a man shows that he can be consistent, reliable, and stable, she automatically feels that he could be the ideal partner to build a life with. This is one of the biggest priorities for a woman, feeling secure with a man by her side. And we're not just talking about financial security, but also emotional and behavioral stability. A man who conveys confidence and keeps his word earns valuable points. A simple example: if you say you'll call, then call. It may seem like a small thing, but it shows that you are consistent and that she can rely on you. In everyday life, this creates a solid foundation for the relationship. Another point is being present in important moments. It's not about solving all her problems, but showing that you're by her side when she needs you the most. Imagine she shares something personal or faces a challenge at work. Instead of minimizing the situation, say something like, "I understand how difficult this is, but know that you can count on me for anything you need." This not only conveys support but also reinforces your presence in her life. Men who create this sense of stability end up being seen as long-term partners because they project the image of a safe harbor amidst life's challenges. Oh, and here's a secret: small gestures of care also count. For example, remembering something important she mentioned weeks ago, or simply asking how she's really doing. These actions make a woman realize that you are someone she can trust. Weakness 2. Emotional validation. Women, just like all of us, have a deep need to be heard and understood. Sometimes, what they are really looking for is not a solution to their problems, but someone who recognizes and validates what they are feeling. When a man is able to understand her emotions and express it genuinely, he creates a deep emotional connection. Emotional validation goes beyond agreeing with everything she says. It's about recognizing what she's going through and showing that you care. Phrases like "I understand how you're feeling," and "that's important to me," can completely change the dynamic of the relationship. Many times, women just need you to show that you care, that you're really listening to her. This also means not disregarding or minimizing her feelings, even when the situation doesn't make much sense to you. When you're present and open to understanding what she's experiencing, she feels she can trust you with her deepest and most vulnerable issues. Weakness 3. Vision of the future. A woman is not just interested in the present. She wants to know that the relationship has a purpose, that there are plans, ambitions, and a future together. When she starts to envision a future with you, it means that you are conveying confidence, stability, and most importantly, that you have goals and dreams that align with hers. It's not just about saying you want something long-term, but showing that you're working towards it. Sharing your dreams, showing that you're striving to achieve what you want, and asking about her plans helps create a deeper connection. This kind of conversation is essential for her to see you as a lifelong partner, someone she can grow with. Moreover, talking about the future also involves listening to what she wants. Understanding her expectations, fears, and things she wants to achieve, and showing that you're willing to walk alongside her is a clear sign that you're looking for more than just a fleeting relationship. Weakness 4. Romance and affectionate gestures. No matter how independent or strong a woman is, she will always be touched by romantic and affectionate gestures. And here, the key is authenticity. Simple, sincere gestures have much more impact than any extravagance. Showing that you pay attention to the details, that you care for her in a unique way, makes all the difference. Small actions, like remembering something important to her, whether it's the name of her favorite coffee or a special date, show that you are attentive to her needs and that she is not just another woman in your life. Simple surprises, like a sweet note or an unexpected message, have the power to create unforgettable moments. These gestures don't need to be grand, but they should be genuine. It's the way you make her feel special, that she is unique to you. And this goes beyond gifts. It's about creating an atmosphere of constant affection and attention. When you demonstrate this, she starts to imagine a future where these affectionate gestures are part of your everyday life together. Weakness 5. Trust and leadership. Women are often attracted to men who know how to lead, but the secret lies in the way this leadership is exercised. It's not about dominating or controlling, but making decisions with confidence and respect. They look for men who can guide them, not in an authoritarian way, but with certainty, showing that they know what they want and that they have the ability to lead the relationship in a healthy manner. When you take responsibility in everyday situations, like planning a date or even taking the initiative in solving problems, you convey the message that you can be the leader in the relationship. And more importantly, you make her feel that she can trust your choices, which is essential for strengthening the bond. Leadership is also about knowing when to be flexible, listening to her opinion, and finding solutions together. It's a balance between acting with firmness and respecting her space and voice. When you show this confidence in your actions, she begins to realize that you're the man who can guide her through uncertain times, while respecting her opinions and feelings. Weakness 6. Deep connection. When you manage to establish a deep connection with a woman's values and beliefs, you create a bond that goes beyond the physical and superficial. This type of connection goes to the emotional roots of who she is, touching aspects of life that are essential to her. It's not just about having common interests, but connecting with what she believes is the purpose of life. The key to this connection is genuine empathy and the willingness to share meaningful experiences. Talk about things that really matter, like your beliefs, your values, and your dreams. This not only brings you closer emotionally, but also builds a solid foundation for the relationship. Furthermore, when you connect with her spiritual side or with her deeper principles, you show that you're truly interested in understanding her in a genuine way, not just on the surface. This connection strengthens the relationship, creating a bond that is hard to break, because it is rooted in authenticity and mutual respect. Now that you know the 6 psychological weaknesses that can help you become the man she's always dreamed of, it's time to put it all into practice. Remember, it's not about manipulation, but showing genuinely that you are the partner she's looking for. Each of these points is an opportunity to strengthen the bond and build a solid and lasting relationship. If you liked this video and felt that the tips were valuable, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new content. I'm here to help you understand even more about female behavior and improve your relationships. So, don't miss the chance to learn more. In the next video, I'll talk about the signs a woman gives when she's completely in love with you. How to know if she's ready to fully commit to the relationship. What are the behaviors and attitudes that don't lie? You won't want to miss it, because understanding these signs can help you take the next step with her. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.